Oh my gosh, you have to see this. This is the CMHIP Incompetent to Proceed in Court Handbook. This will tell you what a joke the courts are for people like me, okay? I'm a highly educated person, and if you look at any of my filings in the court case, you'll see that I know more than the DA, that I know more than the public defenders, and I'm not saying I'm an attorney and I know more than anybody else. No, I'm not saying that. But according to case 15 CR 1287, you'll see that I'm the most competent person in the courtroom. It's kind of like a Martha Stewart fuck you over job. Excuse my mouth, but that's how it feels. So anyways, here's the ITP book from CMHIP. And it's absolute joke. And when you see my filing, you'll see this is a ploy to delay and a ploy to cause harm. These are basic legal terms. Very, very, very basic. In fact, most of this book isn't even up to par with the law or even the standards. And they have a psychologist, Dr. Scott Young, teaching law, which is against the bar. It's against the law. So yet he's teaching the law, and you should get the video at CMHIP. You will be appalled at the stuff that he's teaching. He's teaching case law, all sorts of things. And then he wants to tell me the law when I've had way more law experience at the United States Law Library. And if you look at how many times I've been there and all the books and talk to the federal attorneys there, they'll tell you I have been studying significantly. Well, anyways, ITP means that, if you look here, you are incompetent to proceed if you cannot understand something important you need to know to defend yourself in court, or cannot think, speak, or understand rationally. Now, if I have all the education I have, then how could I be incompetent? Look at my case filings. That proves right there malice. Come on, David Krockenberg. Come on, Kalalee Bouvet, the DA in the case. She filed court filings calling herself the state of C. Kalalee Bouvet. I mean, she doesn't even know how to do a basic filing. She doesn't know property law, and now she's trying to get me on something that's not even a crime. By property laws, by the Constitution, by the state statutes, and by the federal codes and the federal Constitution, what they're trying to charge me for is not even a crime. Period. It's not a crime. By security rights, you have the right to secure your assets with anyone you choose. You have the right to give your stuff to anyone you choose. But this will be pretty good in court, especially the fact that most of the judges in Pueblo district courts and the attorneys in town are very incompetent. It's extremely dangerous, sad, it's sadistic, it's hideous. It needs to be closed. In fact, the Pueblo district courts and the Pueblo Police Department, the Sheriff's Department, have all stated that we are customers. We are not customers. It's against supreme law to even call us customers. And so they're saying that they're running a business, that the judicial system in Pueblo, Colorado is a business, and that we are customers. I'm sorry, this is not a puppy farm. I'm not buying puppies, and I bought no goods, no services. In fact, they don't even have any. So they need to be shut down according to the Supreme Court laws, and they'll be held to business law, and I can sue them because they don't have immunity clauses in business courts, as for the court cannot conduct as a business. The other thing is the monies that are going through the court, all those fees that you pay in Pueblo, Colorado, those are to go through federal trust accounts. However, in Pueblo, Colorado, all of those accounts are going into those personal business accounts. They're going into the Pueblo District Court's business accounts. They cannot go through business accounts. Those are all federal money that have to be in a federal trust. Look it up. They are seditioning the law. They are levying major war with other countries, just like Hitler did. Scary.